Alright guys, what's up? I'm back with another one. I've just had my heat lamp over there working on I've just picked y'all up. I'm done with the process of my cleaning my squirrel. And 2 squirrel tails, 2 coon tails. All I've used today in this process, guys, is I need a vise. You need a vise or a gripping tool to clamp it onto. I use this for rest. But, a knife, not just like a throw around every day. You want it to be sharp. This is not sharp. That's the only thing. Some 180 grit sandpaper. I haven't showed y'all what I'm going to do with that yet. But pliers with cutters on them. Pliers or cutters. Preferably good pliers. This is my fishing pliers. I just grabbed them out of my bag. It's my woodworking shop, guys. It's not clean. It's not hanging up stuff everywhere. Fish tank with Gerald in it, the crawfish. But guys, I don't know if y'all can see what I'm fixing to do, but I'm fixing to set y'all right there, right there. Okay, perfect condition. But guys, what I'm gonna do is just, once you clean them out, you want a bit of skin like this, or for the coon, you want this right here, and you want it to sit in a freezer for about a month before you do this, with borax and salt 50-50 mix. All I've done, it's like it's tanned. I don't use tanning agents. I don't. That's just me. I've never used them. I've got a bobcat that I'm working on right now. Once I get it tanned, it'll probably be after deer season, guys, once I get it. After December, probably, guys, once I get it done. Because I didn't kill it like 3 days ago. I don't know if y'all, I just videoed it by me going through a bunch of pictures of it. My deer's outside. I'm going to get a year pin mount on it. I'm waiting on the skin to fall off of it once the maggots, it sounds gross, but don't demonetize it. Once the maggots eat all the flesh and the skin and stuff off of it, you should be able to grab it with your hands and pull the hair off. Like the whole skin just peels off. It's going to be hard to peel off, but it's going to be like leather peeling it off. This right here is the same way. This is the texture of leather. I've worked it. It's like leather, guys. Like, seriously. You skin the tail to the 3rd ring. They have 6 rings, most of them. You skin it to the 3rd ring, the tail, and the tail's right here. That's why it won't bend, but like that right there. And this up here will bend any which way direction. But anyways, guys, I'm fixing to show you how to do this. Are you still recording? Yes. Because my phone over here is plugged up, and y'all are on. I'm having to use a stinking big camera today. I don't like it. I don't like a big camera. I really don't. Too big. I like using my phone, honestly. My phone's got a pretty good camera on it. It ain't but an 8, but it's got a pretty good camera. But anyways, guys, you want to cut about 1 foot or 1.5 feet of, that's about 2 feet of 20-pound tri-line monofilament extra tough green. That's what I like using. Green, the non-visible green. Melt the ends of them. And then what you want to do is, on this one, I'm fixing to put this in the vise. Get some sandpaper. You want to rough that up, and then you also, guys, you want to rough your, don't rough it to where you break it, but rough it up just enough. That way your tails don't slide around too bad on them. I just get about the width of the sandpaper. Just enough to where your bottom tail, center tail don't slide around everywhere. Done. This is the only one that needs done. No, that one is punctured too. But you're going to clamp a piece of this in a vise or a gripping tool. If I had steps to it, I would tell you all the steps. Squeeze it to where you see fat coming out of it. Get you a rag, wipe the fat off and all the oils. Knife. stick it in. Or in this case, guys, never mind, I'm not gonna do that. Well, I still gotta stick a hole in it, idiot. I still gotta stick a hole in it. Guys, this is just something to hold it here. And you get your pliers. If your knife is not sharp, you want a sharp knife, like sharp, like you want a really sharp knife, guys, when you're doing this. Any animal, when you're skinning it, guys, you always want a really, really sharp knife. Oh no. Oh no. Did I break the camera? No. Odie doody. Set y'all back up. Did I puncture a hole in it? No, I did not. Dang it, I cut myself too. It's what I didn't want to do. Well, here, I guess I'm going to have to go ahead and do it. I'll rub some stuff on that. Anyways, guys, now what I want to do is I want a sharp tool, poker, knife, I don't know, whatever you got. Dull as crap knife. And you want to somewhat tempt to get all the hair back away from where you're going to be poking. You want to somewhat try to work your knife in that way. And now once you get done with that, once you get it cut, you want to poke a hole. Sorry, I'm not talking to the camera, guys, but I'm just determined. This thing cut. Oh, I did it. Wow. Raccoons are like really, really tough skin, guys. Oh, my knife is broke now. Yay. Like I said, guys, you don't want to get a big hole. Just a hole about, what is it? Right there. About that big. Just through the end of it. Get all the hair off of it. Dang! Why the crap is this taking so long? I've done had my other ones done by the time it took me to do. I could have had all three of them done by the time it took me to do one freaking coon. Odie doody. I'm going to run it through there like this, guys. They're going to hang on your wall. It's going to be a decoration. This one, it's going to be a pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. I mean, it's tanned. That's why I'm an idiot. I should have done it before I tanned it. I don't use tanning agents either, so I can't just... I just wipe it off water. You'll be fine. I can't do that because I don't use tanning agents. My grandpa, he uses tanning agents. I never have liked them. Never will like them. Never gonna like them. Cut your hair like that. Just take your water hair, throw it down. You're not going to use it never. You're never going to use it again. Once you get to where you can see the tip of your knife pretty good. You just want to keep tearing that skin off with your pliers, guys. Like the other one, guys. My other one did not want to cooperate. There you go, guys. Did y'all hear that pop? That's what you want to hear. When that pop, you want to just go down about this far on your knife. Perfect little coon tails. Sorry, look, guys. It's just you got a little hole. That's all you got. And this one is going to be hanging. It's going to be hanging sideways. And when you want to... Get all this hair off of it to where... Now, see, guys, look. It don't even look like I just messed with it, does it? Even though I did. But it don't look like it. Where'd it go? There it is. Look at here. You can't even see where I cut it because it's such a small hole. Guys, this is what you stinking want. I want y'all to look at here. 2 coon tails. Guys, my trapping videos I've not uploaded much trapping stuff yet. Because I have not been trapping enough to upload it. Only thing I've trapped is these 2 coons all year long, guys. There you go, guys. But once you fill this up, it's gonna look a lot better. But this is what you trap and kill. You just get the tails, do this to them, hang them on here. You fill this up, it looks awesome, guys. Stinking awesome. What I'm gonna do is right now I'm gonna cut this off short because this is gonna be just a single piece in my room. The rest of mine, I'm gonna make another one of these guys that I'm gonna be trapping on. This is my first year trapping. This is why I'm doing this. And you hang it like that, and you hang it on something. After you burn the ends. Piece of crap. Anyways, guys, this is going to be your end product. You will tie this. And then you will tie it again. I've cut this way too short. Way too short. Just a little. You want a triple granny knot. The best knot ever known to man. It's the triple granny knot. Get up here. Dang it. Come on now, cooperate with me. What have I ever done to you? That's right, nothing. Besides shoot you. That's the only thing I've done to these things. And they just want to do this. There you go, guys. Just a triple granny knot. Classic. As tight as it'll go. Hang that on something. There you go, guys. Little decoration. That. Squirrel tails on the outside. There you go. Decoration for your room, guys. That's all I'm going to say. And y'all have a happy and a Merry Christmas.